Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Half-Life 2 demo. First, you will need to acquire the demo itself. Look for official download sources to ensure you get a legitimate and safe version. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation process, which is usually straightforward. Make sure your system meets the game's requirements, such as having at least 512 megabytes of RAM and a compatible graphics card for the best experience. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth. After installation, launch the Half-Life 2 demo from its icon or your game library. Once in the game, take a moment to understand the basic controls. You'll primarily use the W, A, S, D keys for moving forward, left, backward, and right, respectively. The mouse controls your aiming and camera movement. Left-click to fire your weapon, and right-click often performs an alternate action or uses the gravity gun. Experiment with these fundamental inputs to get comfortable. To ensure the best performance, optimizing your in-game settings is crucial. Start by adjusting video settings. Lowering texture quality and shadow details can significantly boost your frame rates. It's also wise to set the display resolution to your MacBook's native resolution for crisp visuals. Remember to close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources, ensuring a smoother gameplay experience. To fully enjoy the Half-Life 2 demo, consider adjusting your video and audio settings to match your system's capabilities. This can significantly enhance your visual and auditory immersion. Don't be afraid to try out various weapons you acquire, understanding their strengths and weaknesses. The demo offers a glimpse into a rich world, so replaying it can reveal new details or allow you to try different approaches to combat and puzzles. Have fun exploring this iconic game's introduction.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.